Are you ready to make a game-changing move with Camber Energy stock? Get ready to dive deep into the world of Camber Energy. Our initial report, released on our website on Wednesday, October 18, 2023, was just the beginning. Today, we bring you an even more comprehensive analysis that will leave you astounded. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to ensure you never miss out on crucial updates that could revolutionize your investment strategy. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our revolutionary AI stock analysis tool, powered by the cutting-edge GPT-4 technology. Visit StockInvest.us now and unveil a world of possibilities with free price predictions and in-depth analyses for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Welcome back. Today, we'll be discussing Camber Energy, a stock that has caught our attention. But first, let's dive into the numbers. Our system has ranked Camber Energy as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's talk about its performance during the period of October 13, 2023 until now. Brace yourself, because it has exceeded our expectations. Since we first recommended buying Camber Energy just 4 days ago, it has gained an impressive 27.51%. That's an average return of 6.88% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. However, it's important to note that a score of 0 indicates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. So, predicting its next direction is a bit tricky right now. Are you ready for a potential selling opportunity? The stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend. But don't worry, this could work to your advantage. Short-term traders should take note as we may see a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $0.584, which could indicate a slower falling rate and even a trend shift. Let's talk numbers. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 52.92% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there's a possible return between minus 91.20% and minus 48.59%. Exciting, isn't it? Looking further ahead, the 12-month trend suggests a minus 90.05% change over the next year. Brace yourself for a potential return between minus 100% and minus 88.32%. It's important to note that this translates to a price range of $0 to $0.0625 after a year. Start planning your strategy now. Hey there. Get ready for the latest update on Camber Energy. Brace yourself for some exciting news. The stock price of Camber Energy had an incredible day on Wednesday, with high volatility that ended at an impressive $0.535. Can you believe it? Hold on tight, because on the last trading day, the stock price soared by 19.4%. It has been on a winning streak for 4 consecutive days. Will this winning streak continue, or will it take a little break? Let's find out. On Wednesday, the stock price fluctuated by a staggering 30.88%, starting at a low of $0.440 and reaching a high of $0.576. Quite a roller coaster, right? But that's not all. Get this. The stock price has risen in 8 out of the last 10 days and has increased by a mind-blowing 117.35% over the past 2 weeks. Talk about impressive. And here's a positive sign: the volume of shares traded increased along with the price. In fact, a whopping 18 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. That's a good sign, right? Ready for some numbers? Hold your breath. A total of 23 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $12.53 million. That's a significant amount of money. Now, let's take a look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $8.35, while the lowest price was a mere $0.204. As of now, the stock price is 93.59% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to $7.82. Can you imagine the potential for growth? And wait, there's more. It is also 99.99% below the all-time high, which occurred on January 5, 2016, when the price reached a staggering $5,187.50. Incredible, right? Welcome, viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Camber Energy stock ratings. Brace yourselves as we unravel what analysts truly think about this stock. Hold on tight. Here's the inside scoop: analysts have given Camber Energy stock a general neutral rating. But that's not all. Let's dig deeper. They rate the PE ratio as neutral and the price to book as neutral. Now, for the moment of truth. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a surprising rating for this stock: strong sell. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Camber Energy? Let's explore the signals that could make this stock a game changer. Brace yourself for some promising news. The Camber Energy stock is riding high with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a positive forecast for the stock. But that's not all. The relation between these two signals is giving us a general buy signal, with the short-term average soaring above the long-term average. But what happens if the stock faces a correction? Don't worry, there's support waiting at $0.413 and $0.334. However, be cautious, as a breakdown below these levels could issue sell signals. Pay attention to this: a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, October 3, 2023. Since then, the stock has already risen by an impressive 151.36%. Experts believe there's still room for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Exciting, isn't it? And that's not all. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also flashing a buy signal. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a strong technical signal. All signs point to a potentially great opportunity with Camber Energy. Are you ready for some intriguing signals? Well, here they are. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's showing a strong buy signal. Next up, the pivots. They gave a buy signal 12 days ago, indicating a promising trend. How about the Bollinger? It flashed a buy signal 83 days ago, making it worth considering. Now, let's talk about the short-term moving average. Unfortunately, it's showing a sell signal from 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a sell signal from 6 days ago. Lastly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It gave a buy signal 5 days ago, suggesting a potential upside. Moving on to the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short moving average gave a buy signal 11 days ago, showing a positive momentum. As for the long-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 64 days ago, indicating a favorable trend. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages currently holds a sell signal, which is something to be cautious about. If you're hungry for more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. There's a lot more to discover. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Camber Energy. When it comes to support levels, the stock has some interesting points. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $0.492 and $0.440. Now, it's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there's always a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Camber Energy finds support just below today's level at $0.492. However, if that support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $0.440 and $0.420. Now, let's talk about volatility. This stock can really move during the day, making it quite unpredictable. The Bollinger Band shows a very large prediction interval, indicating that this stock is considered to be very high risk. In fact, in the last day alone, the stock moved $0.136 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 30.88%. And if we look at the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 23.32%. Welcome, fellow traders. Today, we're going to explore some exciting trading levels for Camber Energy. But before we jump right in, let's lay the groundwork with some essential fundamental data. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This vital metric helps us gauge a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Keep in mind, a negative P/E ratio suggests that the company is either experiencing losses or is in the red. Established companies can face challenging periods due to various factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative P/E ratio, it might be an indication of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, here's an interesting tidbit. The next eagerly awaited earnings report for Q3 2023 is scheduled to be released on November 10, 2023. So mark your calendars. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of day trading? Today, let's explore some potential trading levels for Camber Energy that could help you make informed decisions. Picture this: the market is on an upward trend. Keep an eye on the first resistance level for Camber Energy, set at $0.595. If you're not yet a shareholder, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before jumping in. But, for those who already have a stake in the stock, this could be the perfect opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. Camber Energy encounters its first support level at $0.492. If this level holds, it could be a golden entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Exciting, isn't it? Are you ready for some exciting news? We've got a stock recommendation for you that you don't want to miss. But first, let's talk about risk. This stock has extremely high daily movements, which means the potential for big gains, but also comes with a level of risk. Now, here's the exciting part: we've discovered a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found just 11 days ago. Are you wondering if Camber Energy stock is worth buying? While Camber Energy shows some positive signals, we believe there are still some factors to consider before making a buying decision. Currently, it is best to hold or accumulate this stock and wait for further developments. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. As we approach Thursday, October 19th, we anticipate Camber Energy to open with a decrease of $0.0179 and begin trading at $0.517. Are you ready to dive into the world of trading? Before you take the plunge, we want to make sure you're aware of the risks involved. Remember, trading can lead to potential financial losses. To make informed decisions, it's always wise to consult a financial advisor. But here's a quick disclaimer: StockInvest.us is here to provide you with valuable information, but we're not the ultimate decision makers. Your investment choices are solely your responsibility. By utilizing our data, you agree to take ownership of your investment outcomes. Let's get started. Welcome to our stock analysis. Take a look at our current view on this stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts and opinions, so don't forget to comment below. What's your target for this stock? Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you successful trading and a fantastic day from the entire StockInvest team.